Let me show you guys how I made this sleek frontal ponytail. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. Thanks for tuning in. Please follow and share my videos. So I'll be using a 13 by 4 20 inches frontal and a 20-inch bundle. We ended up using just one because my client was really late. So I used this brand tint mousse. I think it's I think it's no, yeah, in dark shade caramel. And then I used it to tint the lace. I prefer using mousse to tint laces than using lace tint, although I had to mix like the hair by any lace tint in honey with this mousse to like achieve the color I wanted. After I used the mousse, I had to like blow dry to dry up a bit so I can see the level of tinting. So I had to go in with hair by any tint spray as well because my client was a bit light. You already saw her shade in the first clip, and then I blow dried it, and this is what we have. It looks perfect. My client's hair was somewhat natural. I think she's transitioning into a natural hair. It was a hassle. So I'm not really going to teach you guys how to do like a sleek ponytail, but I'm just going to show you. It depends on my client's hair texture. Actually, I really struggled this day, but yeah, this is my client's hair. I was trying to like blow dry it a bit so it's a bit smoother. As you can see, it looks really natural and hard. So I first of all go in with my got to be spray. Like any freezing spray is fine. I mostly use my got to be spray because I was trying to like get rid of it, and yeah, because I don't really use it anymore. So I used it to first slick the hair, and then I'm working in sections now. Okay, if your hair is really relaxed, you can just pack the hair in one simple pony, but her hair was not relaxed, so I had to like do it in sections. I had to like brush it and then tie it with rope thread. I wanted to say rope, but thread, yes. And then I went in to like use the holding spray again. After that, I blow dried it a bit and then I continued sectioning the hair. So I'm going to like be sectioning the hair and then adding it to the first one I packed. Okay, so I used this styling gel. It's like a liquidy something. I was just looking for any gel to like slick her hair down, so I mixed my holding spray, this gel, and then the normal eco styler gel. Okay, so I mixed them both and I used it and it actually did the trick. So you can see that I just applied a bit of that gel and then I packed it again. I just basically continued until I was done putting everything in one pony. And here I mixed that styling gel with my regular eco gel, and then I went ahead to like slick the hair. Of course, I was using my brush, and then I also used my Ebin holding spray to like really hold the hair because I needed it to be as sleek as possible. You need a really smooth and flat surface to like install the frontal on. So this is what the hair is looking like. I went ahead to like clean her hairline. You guys already know like the process of installation. If you do not know, I already have a video on how to install frontal up on my page already. You can check it out. But I just realized that I have not showed you guys how to cut a lace. I'm probably going to do a detailed tutorial, but here I'm just cutting the lace according to her head size. As you can see, it's supposed to be sitting on her ear tab. Yes, it's called an ear tab. So I was just trying to like cut both sides to like fit it on her head side. And somehow I did not record me applying glue, but the same old hair by any glue. I applied 4 layers, allowed it to clear, and then I went ahead to stick the lace down, used my comb to press it into her skin, and then I tied it with a band for a few minutes. If you want it to dry faster, you can just use like your blow dryer on cool setting. Here we're already rushing because she was already late for her makeup appointment, so I was working with speed at this point. So I went ahead to cut off the lace. If you want to learn that, pay for my online class. A lot of you are not paying for it. I don't know why. This is like the first and only online class I'll be running for now. I think this year. So you guys pay is just 50,000. You'll be learning frontal installation. You'll be learning how to wig your hairs, frontal installation and styling for that matter. And then you'll be learning how to wig hairs as well, closure and frontal wig. You're not paying. So I don't know what to do. Anyways, I went ahead to cut the lace, tied it down, and then I'm slicking the hair to like just the way I did her natural hair, I'm slicking it to like add everything to her own natural hair. So I'm sort of blending it. You still see the difference between the frontal and her hair, but it is what it is. That's frontal ponytail for you. I still don't get the hype about this frontal ponytail because literally you can see the natural hair and the wig. But anyways, it's trending. It's what girls are doing. I packed the hair with her natural hair and then I tied it down, combed it, and braided it. For some reason, I did not really get the clip of me doing the ponytail. I'll probably do a separate video on how to do a ponytail. So I just basically wrapped it around that braided part. Okay, till I got to the top, but I lost some clips or I did not film it where the angle wasn't good at all. After I got to the top, I just basically sewed down the tip, and then I went ahead and finished up the frontal. Added like the holding spray or melting spray, yeah, and then I used like a concealer to pat the patting very well so it's more visible. And this is what the hair came out looking like. It's sleek, it's stylish, it's cute, but I'm still not a fan of it. I don't like making frontal ponytails. It's a lot of work, so I run away from it, honestly. But yeah, it's nice. It looks good. I'm still advertising my online class. Please take this online class. This is like the first and last, maybe I'll be doing for now. It's supposed to start on the 18th, but like people are not turning up. You guys are not registering, so might have to push it back a bit. But please register for my online class. I'll also leave the flyer at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.